Hello, students. Miss Jones here. It has come to my attention that there's been some confusion about how to upload your practice flow painting from the iPad, uh, not only into Google Drive, but then how to get it into WeVideo and edit it using the time lapse feature. So this video is going to show you those basic steps. I'm not going to be able to show how to get the video from the iPad into Google Drive in this clip. I have shown it in class a couple different times. I will be showing you how to do that again on Tuesday, February 16th, which is tomorrow. So if you are not there, if you've been absent, if you still don't understand how to get the video out of the iPad and into Google Drive, please send me an email, come see me in class, reach out and help me be aware of your situation. This video basically starts with your video uploaded to Google Drive. So you can see my video is right here in quick access in my Drive. And my video is 3 minutes long, which is way too long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload it into WeVideo, which you can see I've already got a link open right here. If you've never used WeVideo, hopefully you have at this point because we did practice a couple weeks ago. But if you never have, it is WeVideo.com. To log in, you'll just log in using your Google account. So for example, if I did this right here, WeVideo.com. And you can see I'm already logged in here, and I've even already uploaded the video because I had to practice first in order to be able to teach you guys how to do this. So once you are logged into WeVideo, you're going to go up here to Media, and then you're going to go down here to the little plus button where it says Import Media, because you have to import the video into WeVideo. And we're importing it from a social site. We're importing it from Google Drive. So you don't want to go to Browse because you're not looking on your desktop or in your computer. Instead, you're looking in your Google Drive. So click on Google Drive. And then I actually created a folder called the Arts Collaboration Video, just specifically for any videos that I've created. I will talk to you about creating that folder in class tomorrow before we do this so that you have that. Another good thing to do to find your video is to name it. You know, putting in a name on it is always a good way to search. So anyway, there's the video clip I want. I'm going to select, and then I'm going to click select. Now this is going to take a while to process. Don't expect it to process, you know, within like the first 30 seconds. You might have to sit here for a minute or more. I can see mine saying import progress. If you look right here, it says 50%. So I've still got a bit of work to do in order to get this thing uploaded. Now I did already upload it earlier, so I'm just going to show you what it's going to look like after you've already got it uploaded. Once it's uploaded, you can go to your dashboard and let's see, you can create a new one. So this should like open up the dashboard where you can work with your video. We're going to click on Start Editing. You can see it's working on uploading that footage, but I do already have some old footage here. Again, it's 3 minutes, which is much too long. Now I'm going to drag that video footage down here into video 2. You could also put it in video 1. I'm not really sure that it makes a difference. But remember, when you're doing your group project, you're going to have multiple videos that you'll be sharing with the people in your arts collaboration group. So that should make more sense then. Anyway, once you have the video dragged into video 2 or video 1 slot, you're going to double click and it's going to pull up this window. Once you have the video pulled up, or this window pulled up, you're going to click on this very last icon where it says slow and fast motion. And remember, I mentioned we don't want this to be longer than 60 seconds. And right now it's 3 minutes and 7 seconds. So you're not going to play with the top bar at all where it says range. Instead, you're going to play with value. And you are going to speed it up so it's a little bit faster. You can see the new length is now 1 minute and 2 seconds. That's pretty good. You might not be able to get exactly 60 seconds. Like if I try to pull this over a little bit more, suddenly I'm at 46 seconds. That's probably a little short. So I'm just gonna bounce it back a little and I get back to that minute 2. Okay, you can play it to see what it looks like. You can see the audio is still on there. That's something that we will have to deal with in the final project. I'm just going to turn the audio off for now. But basically, I just want to see that you guys are actually able to speed things up. And once you are satisfied and you've got it around 1 minute, you're just going to go to Save Changes. Okay. And once we have saved the changes, we're going to click on Finish. And then you need to title it. I would probably say flow painting, time lapse, and you could even call this your practice. Because remember, you also have final video footage that you're going to do the exact same thing with, and then you're going to upload that into your group project. So this is just your practice flow painting time lapse video. Practice flow painting time lapse video. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set it. Choose thumbnail, if you want it to have a specific look. Mine are all the same, so I don't know that it really matters. HD is going to take a lot longer to upload. SD, I think, is fine for this project. And I am just going to go ahead and export it. You could export it right back into your Google Drive, which is probably a good place for it to go. So you know where it is. You don't want it to just wind up anywhere, right? So I've opened, it's connected to Google Drive. I'm putting it in SD, it's video, and I'm gonna click on export. Now this is gonna take a little while for it to upload, right? I don't expect that it's gonna happen right away. But you'll see it says we'll send you an email when your video is ready. So the nice thing is you can go into your Google Drive and you can search for that email, and then you'll be able to find your video there. And from that, hopefully it's going to put it automatically in Drive. I'm not 100% sure on that because I am still learning, but I know that this is a good way to export it. While that's going on, and while we're waiting to see if that actually works, just going to pop back here into projects. And you can see I have a little project going here. Practice flow paint. So this is the new one. This is the old one. Looks like you can even change the format if you want to. There's lots of other edits you could do in here. Guys, I don't really know how it all works. Still working on that myself. But hopefully it has been uploaded at this point. I'm going to go and check my video. Oh, and there it is. Your WeVideo export is finished and ready to view. Now, when you have it exported and ready to view, you probably want to check and make sure that it's actually time-lapsed, which it looks like it is. Looks good, okay. And then to share it with me, see the link right here? I think you could easily just copy that link. I'm just gonna do a Command-C, copy the link. I'm gonna go back into Canvas right now and see if I can't now turn this into the assignment. So the assignment was in 2D art. and it's in the modules. It was actually from this past week. So it was called Edited Video Clip of Practice Flow Painting in Progress. It was due last week. I'm going to bump the due date to Tuesday, February 16th. Actually, it looks like I already changed it. So I just need to put it in this week's module. So it won't be late as long as you turn it in tomorrow. And then from here, if I wanted to submit it as a student, what I can do is just click on Submit Assignment. And it looks like it's taking files. Not sure if this is going to work. I'm really going to keep my fingers crossed here. You know, that's a link, so that may not. You know what? Let's try this. Let's just go to Google Drive. Instead of sending me the link. Oh, you know, I can't do that as a pretend student, but you guys probably can just pull the video right out of Google Drive. That's probably the easiest way to do it. Again, I can try adding that link in, but I don't think it's going to work because it's a link. It's not a file. Again, this is your teacher still trying to learn how to use the materials. So I appreciate your patience. Again, go to Google Drive, find the file that you just created, and then of course you will you'll click submit. But I don't have anything there. So I'm going to drop that in and see what happens. Yeah, that's not a file. It's not going to take it. Okay, so ixnay the copy and paste on the link. Just go directly to Google Drive, find the video clip, and then click submit. I hope this was helpful. Again, I appreciate your patience. I am trying to learn this technology as quickly as I can. You know, it's a lot to learn in a very short amount of time. So please talk to me in class, work with your partner, practice this because you're going to need to do it again when you do your final. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See if I can figure out how to turn this off. Okay, we're going to pause now.